would have been Gucci.
Yeah.
Had like how many positions here? Actually, I had like 4 positions.
Shit.
Whatever. Whatever. My buy stop's like how much? How many pips up now? Like 65 pips, like 76 pips from my buy stop. So that's something.
Yeah. Oh, you trade Forex too, Kuya Mav, hey?
I trade Forex for the most part, yeah.
Nice.
And I've been trying to get into SPX.
What strategy are you using? Are you using...
This is a trap setup.
Okay. Trap 2.0, right?
Trap 2.0, yeah.
Nice.
Like this violet box is actually like this buy area right over here.
Yeah.
And they actually respected this quite a bit. Like this happened like March 10. It hit TP3, went back to initial entry, hit TP2, went back to initial entry,
yeah,
hit TP1, and went to the what does Sham call this? The 6 rings entry.
Yeah.
Smacked TP1 from there.
I
mean, that's just like one setup. Literally just one setup that I used.
Were you able to TP Kuya Mav, like with your TPs, or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like for the most part, what I try to do is just like TP2.
Yeah.
For the most part, and then or at least like what I do, because like I usually trade like, or what I do is like I have like, if it's like a buy stop or like a buy limit or something, like I would cut, like for example, if I'm gonna do like a 0.1, I would do 0.05s instead of like 1.1. And like one's gonna be in like TP2, and then there's gonna be one that's going to TP3. So
yeah.
So that's what I usually do. Instead of just having like one big position, I would cut that position in multiple portions.
That's what I'm gonna do on my computer, right? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Like if you have like a like 1.0 lot size budget, do like
like allocate that in different like different areas.
Like 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 instead, something like that, right?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Nice.
Yeah. It's just sad that I got stopped out.
Guys, like you guys are making
whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah.
And then there's my SPX setup that I just didn't do, that I forgot to actually do. This one went crazy because like I had something like this set up.
Yeah.
And I mean,
that looks really good.
Basically just went to TP straight up, like the last TP, just from the news, because this was a news, that news, DXY bearish news. Just smacked that SPX buy, but I just wasn't in it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay.
There's more opportunities to come, but yeah, that's the end of my rant from today's trading day.
That's cool. That's awesome.
But yeah, like the trap, guys, it works, man. It works.
Hey, you want to hear what I'm gonna be doing now with the SPX?
Wait, what? Oh, for sure, Alex.
Yo, that I learned. I was looking at the charts, and it goes up an average of 30 pips a day. So you could literally just indefinitely hold them, and it more than covers swaps.
Swaps, yeah.
Yeah, you could just hold them forever, as long as inflation's going up. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, like imagine if you were in buys from like how long ago?
Dude, even a year ago, that's 10,000.
Even a year ago, dude, like
10,000 pips or something like that on I think it was.
Let's go back.
Was it 10,000 pips? No, sorry, it was 15. It was 15 or 20,000 pips on SPX, which is crazy.
Let's just go. I'm not sharing my screen anymore, but
that's
if like you go from like March
or TP7 on
like
the
March
US 30.
Like if you go from like March of like last year, like its lowest point was at around 22132 for SPX.
I usually do open to open for a year. That's what I usually do.
That's like oh my god! Just imagine just holding that for 1 year. You're good to go for You're good to
That's
go.
what I was thinking. Like, and look, after if you look in the monthly, or you look at this, just even look like way back, and there's like, if you play your cards right and you're not, as long as the world economy is not in a huge recession, your entries will never get hit ever again.
Never get hit. Yeah.
You can just use that, especially right now in the world we're in.
Because if you were on buys from like a couple of years back, even if it pulls down, it's still like it's not gonna hit your entry.
Oh man, unless I just wish. 1971 was at $80. Now we're at what, like 4,000?
Even if you bought like, let's like be more realistic for my standards at least, because like if like I graduated high school 2012, so let's say I bought something like a 0.01 like in 2012, that's like 1,500.
We're like, so cool. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, dude.
That's what I heard.
Oh, and also if you want to blow your mind even more, I pulled up a 50, 100, and I think a 200 EMA, and those are 3 different entry points for buys. And then I don't think it'll ever hit the entry point ever again on all 3,
unless the world's about to crumble.
If the world crumbles, dude,
it doesn't really matter. Like all of this doesn't really matter if the world crumbles, because we're gonna be dying.
I mean, I'll already have my fallout shelter set up, so
you're prepped.
Yeah. Close your profits. Take your profits and then build the bunker, guys.
Hey, I mean, I live in the U.S., so chances are I'm gonna need one in my lifetime.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys are crazy. No offense.
Oh, no offense taken. I don't represent the majority. They don't represent me. They're all nuts.
Yeah, but yeah, what's this called?
Crazy.
That's awesome, guys. That's awesome. Trap 2.0 and hedging in US30, crazy. But yeah, what's this? Should we, because I know there's a few people here that want to learn how to buy FEG.
FEG, yeah.
Should we go ahead with that?
For sure.
Sorry, what's FEG? Is it the thing that he talked about?
The monkey token.
Yeah.
That's the one you get for holding stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's what I want to learn about, because I'm in here for the long haul. I'm not in here for a couple day thing like.
Mm-hmm. It's good, because it's like he just tells you what to buy and then you leave it.
Just leave it there.
Mm-hmm.
Another time, wait, sorry. When are you teaching your trading style, Mike?
What?
When are you teaching your trading style? I remember you talking about it.
Oh, I think I did already, right?
Did you? No, I mean like you were gonna go into like in depth with it. Or did you?
I did that like 2 Wednesdays ago.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I don't remember, to be honest.
You missed the boat. I'm sorry, Alex.
Man.
I'll send. I sent the recording. I'll send you the recording again. It's for.
All right. Thank you.
I know you guys get bored with Forex because you guys are like, crypto guys or indices guys.
I'm into everything, so.
Same.
I've started trying to find the most efficient, like least time, exhausting activities to make money. So. I love crypto. I like the holding SPX indefinitely, like stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
those are good ideas.
Yeah, what's this called? Because the indices, if anything, they represent human growth, right? And so if that's going down, that means humans, we're going back, right? Unless they're just destroying US dollar or current like fiat money. For
basically
to reduce inflation, right? But
yeah, extreme deflation.
What happened to Russia back then in 19 whatever. But other than that, I don't think it's ever going to go down. It's always going to keep growing and growing and growing. So you're definitely right in your fundamental analysis context there. But yeah, I'll send you the recording for that.
Actually,
thank you, Mike. Please.
Sorry. Me too, Mike. Please. Thank you.
Wow.
Let's just drop it in the chat. Whoever needs it, just put like a 1. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Just so you know who to send it to. Oh, and this is something I didn't know. I'm an American citizen, so I feel like I should know this. But like, I guess the United States government can't default on its loans. It's in the Constitution that it can't. So it means that our economy is like, even if our economy is falling apart, the dollar will still be worth something, which I think is just crazy.
Yeah, because it's separate, right, or something like that.
Well, it's not gold backed anymore, so it's like monopoly money now, really. So.
Pretty much. No, it said it just said that the U.S. can't default. Like back then, they didn't have the U.S. dollar. They had the continental dollar for a little bit, and then they had to, change. But it just says that the United States government can't default on its loans or debts, which I think is pretty cool.
It's crazy, right? Because it has debts to itself.
We'll just print more money. It's not a problem. We'll print more.
I'm just saying we could just print all this money and then just to pay back China and then just change our currency to something else.
But yeah, anyway, here you guys are. Here is the recording. If you guys want it. Oh, wait, hold on. Never mind. Not that one. I'll send you guys this one. When was that again? Do you guys remember that?
That was like 2 Wednesdays ago.
March 3rd, right?
I think so. Yeah.
That was so weird.
This is step 16. So I'll go back on the money and trade.
Yeah. March 3rd. Get link.
March 3rd. Yeah, it was 2 Wednesdays ago. You're right.
Copy link. Okay, use this one instead. And then, yeah, we can go ahead with FEG because I think a couple people, at least 3 people, want to learn how to buy FEG today. Yeah, I sent you guys the recording there if you guys want it.
So it said that I have to ask for permission. I guess you didn't press the thing that allows it so that if you send a link, it gives you automatic permission.
No, click the second one. The second one should be good.
Oh, all right, cool. Yeah, I got it. Thanks.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Download. Cool. Download anyway.
Yeah, that works like wonders in EU and GU. It's amazing. But yeah. Yeah, but and I'm gonna say this again, guys. Like, this is not something that you have to learn, okay? Because what's happening with so many people is there's so many strategies. There, people are like, oh, hey, do this strategy, do that strategy, and we don't know what to do anymore. And what happens is analysis paralysis, and you just don't make money, right? And so, if you have something that works for you already, stick with that, and everything else is just what's this called? Miscellaneous knowledge. You don't need it. Right. So if like Kuya Mav, you don't need this anymore, right? Because something works for you already and things like that. But
what I actually do for your strat is I just add it as like extra confluence. Like when the mustard and the ketchup thing align type of thing, I just and it aligns with whatever I'm doing. And I'm like, okay. So it works for Mike's strat. It works for the strat that I'm using.
Mm-hmm.
There's a higher chance that this trade is going to pan out.
Yeah. Absolutely.
What I've noticed, or at least the way I look at it, is I feel like trading styles are like DNA, where each person has their own unique trading, like their way of trading, or each person has even if they haven't found it yet, there is something out there that is unique to you that would work.
Absolutely. If they haven't found it yet, that means they haven't done the test yet.
Exactly. And that doesn't mean you can't trade like other people, and also doesn't mean that like you're necessarily just going to find something and just stick with it. You keep learning because you can keep implementing new things onto it.
Absolutely. So your DNA keeps changing, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like, I guess mutate.
Yeah, I learned that.
Adapts.
Sorry, I'm like nerding out here. But I learned when I was still in university, I learned that, what's this called? Like if you become like very, very fit, and then what's this called? You read a lot of personal development books, you become very, very fit, you're at the top of your game, and then you conceive a baby. It doesn't matter if you're like a male or you're a female, your egg cells or your sperm cells will change.
Really?
And now your child has that, what's this called? Better DNA.
Huh.
Yeah, so you better be like super sexy when You know,
Thanks, mom and dad. I mean, what?
before conceiving kids. But yeah, so I'm like, oh shoot, like before I freeze my sperm or whatever, I'm like, I gotta be fit. Anyway, sorry.
Gonna blame them for everything now.
What?
Gonna blame my parents now.
Exactly.
It's your fault. I love you, but it's your fault.
Hey, so Mike, I've been using your strategy on gold. So just
Have you?
FYI.
Is
Yeah.
it working?
It's working.
What?
I feel like gold is like the opposite of SPX, where like on SPX you could be literally anywhere as long as you can survive the drawdown. You could just indefinitely hold a SPX buy. I feel like the same thing holds true for gold, where you could just sell at any point and you're just gonna make a lot of money.
It doesn't hit blueberry pie, but it hits TP1, TP2. So or it's mayo basically. If you
What's that, mayo and mustard?
Yellow mustard and ketchup is something different, but it hits mayo.
But
Hit blueberry pie. So
that strategy, Nick, I learned that from a guy who is like super old, I guess, like in the trading world.
Hope you're not saying anything about me. So okay.
No. And what's this called? And it's like the classic trading, right? And gold is one of the classics, I guess. So I guess that's why it works. But yeah, I'm gonna look at it. Thank you.
I've been demoing it all last 2 weeks. So that the Friday after the 3rd, I hit $1,100. So that's so.
Well, how much is your
It was 0.5. 0.5 as I was using.
How much is your balance in your demo?
In my demos, it was 38. Now it's 57. So I'm 5,700 now. So
wow, just with wow.
So your strategy in gold is what I've been demoing. So
yeah. Wow, thank you. That's good to know. I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try now.
Yeah,
I like gold.
I have homework now.
Yeah.
Cool beans. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. No, thank you.
Of course. That's what we're here for. But yeah, anybody else want to talk about anything? Okay, so before everyone leaves, I guess, I'm not sure if Noah can hear this. But so have you guys seen the schedule that I made for what's this called?
Yep, I saw it. Yep.
The speakers.
Wait, where's that? Is that in the chat?
Yeah, in our chat.
Oh, that's probably what I didn't see yet.
Tuesday meeting schedule. So Transformation Tuesday. And what it is here. Let me share it. My computer's like acting up. I think I need a MacBook. But anyway, so far I have 7 people to speak. I think if nobody volunteers, then I'm just gonna add myself up here or my brother. But yeah, so essentially we have 2 people speaking every Tuesday, and what it's gonna be, it's gonna be called Motivation Tuesday. Is that okay with everybody? Motivation Tuesday.
Sizzle.
Or no, Transformation Tuesday is what I was thinking. What do you guys think? Transformation Tuesday. So we do personal development because we're all about growth here, right? Continuous growth. And whenever we're reading personal development, you just summarize that and then slap it in like a presentation in a PowerPoint, and then that's it. And essentially what happens is it's gonna happen once a month. So we just speak once a month. What was that? I love what Mick posted in his Instagram. He said something like, if you see it and you hear it, you remember it 71%. However, if you teach it, you remember it 95%. So if you're reading personal development and then you teach it to others, you actually retain it 95%, right? And so, yeah, if anybody still wants to volunteer and you're not here, let me know and then I'll add you in the list. But is this?
You can add me, Mike.
Okay. So you're gonna be on April 13th, Kuya Mav.
Sounds Gucci.
Braga. But yeah, thank you. And yeah, so that's it. So just motivate people. 5 minutes to 10 minutes of speaking, and that's it. And all you do, the cheat code is you just read the book, summarize the chapter, slap it in the book. That's it, right? And yeah, I feel like that's all I do anyway. My life is super chill. Anyway, that's what else do we have? And then for the reporting, I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. So I'm gonna add on there how many pips did I catch this week. If you want to report that, you don't have to if you don't want to, but if you're reporting, then it pushes you, right? Also, what did you learn from trading and what can you improve upon in your trading style? I'm gonna add that. What do you guys think? Like, what were my challenges with my trading, and then how can I improve upon my trading? And then
Sounds good. I like it.
How many pips did I catch? Because we're not just about recruiting people here. We're about building. Or sorry, we're about building your knowledge in trading. Yeah. So what's this called? And yeah. Anyway, what else should we talk about? I think that's about it.
I have a question. So I need to put money on Hugo's way, but I saw today in the chat that Alex was having problems. Are you still having problems with that?
It took like 10 hours. I was surprised. I think it's because everyone got their money at the same time. Everyone's probably trying to transfer money.
Onto there.
So what time did you transfer
brokerage.
it, Alex?
I think it was 10 a.m. and it literally like half an hour to an hour ago. So
Dang.
like,
because like when they used to
12
transfer in
hours.
Yuga's way, it usually takes about an hour or two.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the longest was 6 hours, and that was because I didn't realize I had to authorize it from the other end. But now I buy it directly. It's a Bitcoin, and then I transfer it. So just copy and paste the
QR code and stuff like that.
Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah.
So what site did you buy the Bitcoin on?
Well,
you're happy with crypto. It sounds like
crypto is down still, so I bought it off Instacoin. But since I had to wait so long, I almost paid my entire fee with how much it went up. So that was funny. So that's like the bright side, I guess.
So I don't have Instacoin. Would Cash App work? I mean, you can buy Bitcoin on there. Can anybody else know? So.
I don't know what the cheapest one is, but like, I mean, if I'm just wanting crypto to work because I still have my fee waived for another like week or two, so I pretty much get free. Well, not free, but I don't have to pay for the service for now.
Yeah.
How do I save this?
I'm gonna make the transfer probably Friday night, probably, or Saturday morning. So
if crypto.com works, it's great. Like it's one of the cheaper ones, I think.
Okay. Well, hopefully by then they'll be working.
From what I've heard, yeah. Hopefully, I mean, they're still having that crazy demand for everything.
It was a nice tip on the Telegram though, Alex, about going to crypto and you can talk to the bot. That's
Yeah, my bot wasn't working either, and I had to literally message someone for them to fix the bot. Oh my god. Yeah, it took it's just a cluster right now because of stimulus money.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it totally is. How do you save files in the
Everybody got their stimmies and everybody's doing
I call it stimmy money. It's so funny. I don't know how to. I don't know. I'll find it. It's gonna be in my file somewhere. I'll be like, oh, there's the file. Gotta love that.
But yeah, did you have any more questions, guys?
Oh, there it is.
Yes, no. I don't think there's any questions.
I am Gucci.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
If anything, it's just the FEG stuff because I was trying to figure out how other methods of actually getting it, but I mean, I'm pretty new to like the whole crypto stuff too, so it's still kind of confusing.
I felt like I was a 15-year-old trying to figure out how to drive yesterday when Morgan taught me. So thank you so much, Morgan, for your.
Well, that was me with Noah the other week.
It's funny you say that.
When I was asking how to buy HOGE, I was like, Noah, how do you do this? I'm so confused.
I still am confused about that.
But yeah, shall we proceed with how to buy FEG and get rich?
For sure.
Awesome. So yeah, I'll hand over the floor to Mr. Noah Dalutang and Morgan Esbia. You guys take it away.
All right, go ahead, Morgan.
Come on, dude. All right. Okay, so in terms of so first, how many people use iPhone and how many people use Android? Just so I can know.
iPhone.
I use iPhone.
I am an iPhone user as well.
Okay.
I'm an Android and my husband is iPhone.
Okay, sweet.
iPhone here too.
Okay, sweet. So reason I asked that is first, you guys want to make sure you have Trust Wallet downloaded on your iPhone and your Androids.
Got it.
And for people in Canada, depending on if you want to save on crypto.com's transfer fee that they do, if you guys have a Binance account already, Binance you can buy BNB there, but again, make sure you have Trust Wallet first. After Trust Wallet, for people who have iPhone, I was going to send you guys a link here. Give me 1 second. And what this link does is basically allows your Trust Wallet app to connect to the browser. So you can automatically go to PancakeSwap on your phone. For the person who has Android, you already have the browser enabled and it's called B-Apps. But give me 1 second here. And then you guys want to make sure you have.
You can share your screen too, Morgan, if you want to share your screen to say.
Yeah, sure. So let me know if you guys have any. Which screen are you guys looking at right now? The Facebook screen?
I'm seeing Saber.
Okay,
I'm seeing Saber.
Okay, so this screen. Awesome. Okay, give me 1 second.
So many
screens. Yeah. Give me 1 second. So I sent this link earlier, but I know I sent it to Mark earlier as well too. So I'll just copy it because it's right there. Here, let me drop it in the chats for you guys. So basically what this app allows you to do is, wrong thing.
Can you drop it on Messenger so I can pick it up on the phone? Is that how you're doing it?
Yeah, I can drop it on Messenger. Which Messenger chat do you guys want me to drop it to?
Crypto is fine with me.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Sweet. So basically, once you have Trust Wallet enabled, first thing you guys can do, I guess, is just go to this link. And before I start, because I know a few people have already purchased Ethereum and it's on Coinbase, and a few people haven't purchased Ethereum, or if you have purchased Ethereum and it's elsewhere, I just want to make sure, like, where is it currently, just so I can know that as well too.
Mine's at ShakePay.
ShakePay,
Yeah.
And is Bitcoin or Ethereum on ShakePay?
I have both, so either one.
Okay, sweet.
Sorry, Morgan. I think I messaged you earlier. I have it on crypto.com and Coinbase wallet as well.
Okay, sweet. So with ShakePay and crypto.com, if you guys already have a Binance wallet, since you guys don't have it on crypto.com, or if you have it on, okay, so anyways, for ShakePay, you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, send it to Binance, and once you send it to Binance, you can basically convert it to BNB coin for free on the site. And then from there, you can send it directly to your Trust Wallet app just by copying the address. Once you're in your Trust Wallet, you basically go to receive, and then from receive, you hit here. Let me go on my phone so I can show you guys step by step. I don't want anybody to get lost in the process there. I'm just signing into Zoom, so just give me a second. Okay, give me 1 second. My iPhone just having a little difficulties getting into Zoom, but sweet. I'm just gonna stop sharing this screen and I'll share my phone screen just so I can go step by step. I don't know how many people use computers, but give me 1 second.
Hey Jackie, what up? What up?
Hey man, how's it going?
Amazing.
Just a little update on crypto.com. Yeah, it's still not working. It's still putting me into a white screen like when I try to buy it. Figured I'd double check it was working now that Hugo was.
Awesome. So once you have Trust Wallet downloaded, basically you want to enable, you want to go to that link I sent, and what it will do is it will enable the browser so you guys can automatically connect to PancakeSwap and your wallet from here. It'll just automatically bring it. But in terms of where your money is currently, oh, I never thought of, it's fine. I never thought about this part. So if you have a, so you want to make sure you have Binance in terms of buying your BNB, because then you don't have to worry about the transactions. I know Binance may work for some people in the States. I'm not too sure if it does or yeah, Binance does work for people in the States. So you can go here. And if you guys use for people in the States, you guys were saying Instacoins and Cash App as well too does let you buy Bitcoin. From there, you just want to send your Bitcoin to whatever address. And then once you're at your wallet, what you want to do is you want to go to Bitcoin, obviously, and deposit your Bitcoin and just copy your address and send your Bitcoin there. And then from once you've deposited and you've sent your Bitcoin there, you can automatically convert it or transfer it to, so I'm just gonna click on whatever coin right now. Let's go to the light version. But yeah, you can convert it. You can convert it to BNB. And when you convert it to BNB, you can send it automatically to, so once you're on the light, you can convert it, and then you can convert it from Bitcoin to BNB. And then you just hit max or however much you want to convert. And once it's converted, you'll now have the BNB coin. And from the BNB coin, you can basically send it out. So what I'm doing there is I'm just changing it from Binance Lite, which keeps it simple, which is buy and sell. And then you would basically go to your wallet, and then you'll see what you have there. And then you just want to hit a pair, and then you want to hit withdraw. And then you just want to send it to your Trust Wallet. You just want to send it to your Trust Wallet address for BNB coin. So then you just hit BNB, receive, copy. You want to copy that address. And once that address is copied, paste it there and you can send it. And from there, any questions so far, I guess I should ask before I lose people in the process there. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Just so I know I'm going slow enough for you guys.
I'm gonna need the recording of this, obviously.
Okay, yeah, for sure. No worries. And then from there, you basically send it. Pardon me?
So basically, you transfer the Bitcoin over, and then transfer it over to what coin was that?
BNB coin. So
BNB
Binance.
or Binance? Yeah.
Yeah. And the reason why is because Trust Wallet runs on the Binance blockchain.
All right.
And there's the Binance Smart Chain, which is the BEP20 blockchain, which is a lot faster. And the reason why I'm showing you the Binance way is because in the Binance blockchain, it has lower fees and your transactions get approved in like a minute, 2 minutes. It's really, really quick transactions.
That's
At
awesome.
most, if anything, like 5 minutes, but I've never seen 5 minutes. It's like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, your transaction gets approved. But yeah, so that's why Trust Wallet works. And it's cheaper on fees than anything. And crypto.com, I know, does take a fee, but compared to what Uniswap offers, their percentage of their fee is a lot less. And yeah, so you go to PancakeSwap, and for the FEG address, I'm gonna send it in the crypto chat. I'm not gonna go over how to find it because it wasn't working earlier in terms of getting that address. But basically, once you have FEG added, yeah, you might have to go over how to get it. So once you have FEG added, you can basically just go here, swap. And one thing I was trying out as well today, I know for slippage, so you want to go to the gear icon. The slippage actually does work at 2% for FEG versus whatever it does on Uniswap. And so you can have really, really low slippage and it only costs like maybe $3 in total, US, and like $1.50 or $1.80 Canadian to do this transaction. And you can basically hit max and you can transfer it. Now at the same time, once you get your BNB coin, you want to go into your DEX, you want to swap, and now you want to swap it from BNB to Binance Smart Chain coin. And it's basically the same coin. BNB is yellow, Binance Smart Chain is black. And once you hit swap, you'll get the swap there, and then you can do the transfer. I might be going a little too fast, but just again, if you have any questions, I want to make sure I answer them so I don't lose you guys in the process or anything like that. And then and then to add FEG,
it's being recorded.
Awesome. And now to add FEG token, you're going to see at the top here where it says tokens, finance, collectibles, and then there's going to be that little circle with the lines. You want to click on that, and then you want to go to the very bottom. Let me just copy the FEG token so you guys can see as well too. Just give me 1 second. So once you go here, you want to change the network and make sure you guys actually do this. If you don't change the network, you're going to lose your money. And the reason why is because FEG does not belong on the Ethereum network. You want to make sure you change it to the Smart Chain network because it's a Smart Chain coin. And then you basically take that address where I'm going to be dropping it for you guys. You want to paste it. And once that's a SafeMoon one, but regardless, you paste it. Once it changes to Smart Chain, you paste the contract address, and you're going to see SafeMoon. Except this time, it's going to say FEG. So give me 1 second. Let me get you guys one that actually says FEG. So it says FEG token, it'll say FEG, and then it'll say 9. That's the right one. You'll save it, and then you'll see it populate, and it'll say BEP20. And then from there, you want to make sure that it's turned on green. If it's not turned on green, you're not going to see it in your main wallet. You're not going to see it in your main wallet. So if you don't see that, make sure that you go in here and FEG is green. So you can search it up. We'll just turn it on. Other than that, that's one way you can do it in terms of buying Binance coin and do it from there. If you guys do have a Binance address and it saves you that fee that that crypto.com has, if you guys are familiar with Binance. But other than that, the other way, if you guys are just doing it on crypto.com, let me stop the broadcast just so I can hide my balances there. Give me a second.
I was gonna say hide your money.
yeah. Hide my money. Yeah, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, because he's secretly a whale.
No. Give me 1 second.
It's like, Morgan, I didn't realize you were a multi-billionaire.
Relax. But yeah, so once you guys go to crypto.com, give me 1 second. Once you guys go to crypto.com, it should look up like this. Now, you guys want to go to accounts, and then from accounts, you guys can go to crypto wallet. Yeah, you guys can go, sweet. So you guys can go to crypto wallet. And then from crypto wallet, you guys go to, if you guys already have Ethereum in crypto.com, you want to go to Ethereum, and then you want to hit sell Ethereum. Sorry, transfer Ethereum. No, sorry, my bad. You want to hit sell Ethereum. So I'm going to do it with a coin that I already have. I'll do it with Mana. So you guys want to hit sell Mana or sell Ethereum, and then you guys can drop it over, and you guys can choose to sell it into the BNB coin. For this one, I can't do it for BNB coin, but just an example, you can choose it to, let's see, just give me 1 second. I have a little bit of Bitcoin there. Awesome. So instead of Bitcoin, it's going to say Ethereum, and then you can automatically sell it into the Binance coin. It's going to tell you the transaction and everything like that. And then once you hit confirm, you guys will automatically have Binance coin. And then from Binance coin, you guys go transfer, withdraw, external wallet. Now you guys want to add your wallet. So once you're at this stage, you go to your trust wallet. You go at same thing, receive, Binance coin, copy the address, go back here, and then you want to paste your address. For myself, I'm going to name my wallet BNB Trust Wallet. And then from here, you want to hit no memo because you don't need a memo for this coin. And it's automatically going to take you to your email address. So right there. So it's going to take you guys to your email. And then from your email, you want to confirm that you're withdrawing it to that address just to make sure it's you. And then it's going to reopen crypto.com, and then you hit withdraw, and then you choose your amount in Binance coin you want to withdraw. Now with crypto.com, they do have that fee. So keep in mind, it could be anywhere from $60 something. It's a little percentage in terms of what it is. And then, yeah. And then basically same steps. After you receive it, you go to your DEX, and then you switch your Binance coin to your Binance Smart, to your Binance Smart coin, Smart Chain, and then you go browser, then Pancake Swap, and I'm gonna log out here real quick. So then you guys hit connect, and then Trust Wallet, it'll automatically connect it, and yeah, just like that. Now with the only difference in Android is that instead of browser, it's gonna say dApps. So you click on dApps, and then from there, it's going to look the exact same. If you can't find Pancake Swap in your history, it's because it's going to be under new dApps. If you haven't gone to it first, and you want to scroll over 1, 2, and it should be right there. Pancake Swap, and boom, basically right there. Other than that, any questions?
So how do you get Pancake Swap on an iPhone in the apps? Mine is coming up, doesn't look like yours. So
okay, so what does it currently look like? So it should look like without, let's see if I can clear my history. I'll clear my history real quick.
it says Crypto Field Farm Watcher. That doesn't sound like the same thing.
So once you're at this stage where you see your wallet, and you guys are a browser, you guys will see new dApps, DeFi, Popular, Smart Chain, Yield Farm, all that decentralized apps that you guys can take a look at. Now, you want to go dApps, and it should be just scroll to the left once, twice. And then once you scroll to the left, you'll see Pancake Swap. It'll either be the first one for you or the second one for you.
All right, cool.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. Yeah.
So it's inside Trust Wallet after you put the browser that you sent, right?
No, so you go to Safari. So the link that I sent.
I dropped it in Safari. So then that's how it opened up. Okay. All right.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly.
I did it right. I just didn't realize I did it. So okay.
Yeah, no worries. Any other questions?
I'm sure there is.
Yeah, feel free to ask questions. I know this is difficult to understand. I don't want anybody to get confused, because if you guys don't know what you're doing, you guys can seriously lose money. And if you lose money in the blockchain, it's gone forever. So if you guys honestly have questions, just feel free to ask. Like, I don't want you guys to lose money doing this, and I want you guys to fully understand and be aware of what you guys are doing, you know? Mm-hmm. So yeah.
So can I just summarize everything, Morgan? Is that okay?
Yeah, go for it.
Yes, please, because I got in late, so I actually have no idea what you're actually going over.
We're going through how to buy FEG. So what I got from Morgan so far is whatever you guys are using, crypto.com or Coinbase, or I don't know, I think you can even use ShakePay.
Yeah, you can even use ShakePay, yeah.
So you buy Ethereum, right? You buy Ethereum and then you send it to your Trust wallet. Is that right, Morgan?
No, because so okay, you can't send it straight to your Trust wallet, and I've tried to do this with Mike yesterday, but you can't send it straight to your Trust wallet, and the reason why is because for some reason their exchange doesn't allow you to exchange Ethereum straight to BNB on their wallet. But so you have to send it to either crypto.com, or you can send it to Binance. And then from there you can convert it to BNB.
Okay.
And the reason why I say ShakePay as well too is because not all debit and credit card companies allow you to buy with Bitcoin. Some of them allow you to buy cryptocurrencies. Some of them have restrictions. Right. So if you guys want to get past that restriction, you can use ShakePay, or in the States, Instacoins and Cash App to buy your Bitcoin. But if your credit card or debit card company allows you to buy cryptocurrencies, best way to do it, go straight to Binance, buy the BNB coin, and send it to yourself on Trust Wallet.
Okay, the BNB coin is the key, right?
So yeah, BNB coin is key.
Gotcha. So what's this called? Go on crypto.com. You have Ethereum, right? Crypto.com, or what's this? Coinbase. Have Ethereum on there, and then convert it to BNB, and then convert it to BNB Smart Coin. What's that called?
Send it to your Trust wallet, and then convert it to BNB Smart Coin. Coinbase does not have BNB coin that I'm aware of. So you want to send that to crypto.com, or again, Binance, but crypto.com you can send it to.
Gotcha.
On the Trust wallet, it has actually it says Smart Chain, and that is the BNB Smart Coin, right?
Correct. Smart Chain.
Yeah. So why couldn't you transfer it directly to the Smart Chain BNB?
Well, here, if I can show my screen again, and this is something for later dates in terms of if you guys want to get a coin that is not on any exchange, but you can buy it like how we bought HOGE. Now, with no fees or whatnot, but this is like something for later down the road. But I'll show you guys this one here.
And just to confirm, you can't get BNB on Coinbase.
Not that I know of, but I can double check right now for you guys.
No, I checked for you. You
okay, sweet. Yes, sweet. So yeah, so you can't purchase there, but usually on most exchanges, if you go into the DEX, there's the regular swap, but then there's also the exchange that you'll see, and usually from here, you can exchange one coin from another. It's the act of action. It's like Forex. It's the act of actually participating in the markets in terms of selling ATP to buy BNB or selling BNB to buy ATP. So if you were to do it with, like, let's say Ethereum and BNB, like 99% of the time it should work in terms of just clicking buy BNB, and it'll let you buy your BNB with Ethereum, or clicking sell Ethereum to buy BNB, but it doesn't work for some reason. So that's why you need to have BNB coin already to transfer it in here to switch to the smart chain.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Now,
Thank you.
do you
No
have
worries.
a way for like, so like I can't use Binance in the States. I can only use Binance.us, and it doesn't have all the coins that are on Binance. Is there a way around that? Is that
So does Binance.us have the Binance coin itself? It should, because it's their main currency.
So like I was talking to Noah, and he was talking about moon space or space.
SafeMoon, yeah.
And I can't buy. So I was looking on Coin Marketplace, and it was saying that you have to buy it on Binance, but it's not on Binance.us, and I can't.
It's on the Binance. So I'm going to show you guys my computer screen actually, because I know what you're talking about. So SafeMoon, and you guys can see my screen, correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. So
your phone.
Your phone.
So SafeMoon, it says you can. Oh, I guess it doesn't say it anymore, but it says you can buy it with Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and the Smart Chain Wallet is a application. It's a web browser application, so it's another wallet altogether that you can use in terms of buying and selling on the Smart Chain network. So you can send, receive, and everything like that. And then from here, you can send your SafeMoon into your Trust wallet. But that's just an extra step. You guys don't need to do that step. Having it on Trust Wallet and having browsers enabled for your iPhone or your Android works best to buy SafeMoon that way. Did you understand that, or?
But I can't get on Binance.
You can't get on Binance whatsoever?
No, every time if I try to make an account, it says we picked up your IP address, and it says you're in the States, you can use Binance.us. When I go, I have a Binance.us account.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have all the coins that are on regular Binance.
What coins does it have? Do you mind sharing your screen just so I can see it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let me stop sharing my screen. I thought I already did.
Before we get like deep into Joey's question, Morgan, I just want to like step by step go through.
Yeah, I can definitely go step by step with someone who's at a step that they don't mind sharing. And if they don't mind sharing, I can go step by step with a live actual process if you guys want to as well.
Yeah, I mean, like, what's this called? So I have a list that I made here. So far what I have is Ethereum in Coinbase, right? Have Ethereum in Coinbase, and then send it to your Trust wallet. Is that right?
No.
Okay.
From Ethereum,
convert it
if
to
it's
BNB.
yes. So go to crypto.com. Easiest. I'll keep it super simple. Ethereum, send it to crypto.com.
Yeah.
And then from Ethereum to crypto.com, you want to convert it to, you want to hit sell and then convert it to BNB coin.
Okay, gotcha. So that's okay. So Ethereum in Coinbase, and then send it to crypto.com. So the Ethereum, you will now convert it to BNB, right?
Yeah.
And then send that money to Trust Wallet.
Correct.
And then convert that while you're inside your Trust Wallet. So from regular BNB coin, convert it to a smart chain BNB.
Correct.
Right? And then now smart chain BNB, before you do anything, go in your browser, activate the Pancake Swap thingy that you sent.
Exactly. Yeah.
So in Safari, and then now go back in your Trust Wallet, right? And then switch your smart chain BNB to FEG.
No, you want to go to manage and you want to add FEG.
Yeah.
With the contract address that I'll send you guys.
Okay.
And you want to add FEG. You want to scroll to the very bottom.
Yeah.
And then it's going to say add new coin. And then you want to change the network to Smart Chain Network. If you leave it on, if you don't change the network, your money's gone forever. So make sure the network says Smart Chain Network.
Okay.
And then from Smart Chain, then you add the contract address and then you just hit paste and it'll automatically fill in the blanks to show FEG coin.
Mm-hmm.
And then you guys hit OK. It should be automatically turned on already. And then from there, yeah, you'll see your deposit has been made and the amount of what it should be.
Gotcha.
But you don't need to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. It's just going to be pricey if you ever want to convert it or send it anywhere. You got to pay those gas fees. But yeah, so you can always buy Ethereum other ways. It doesn't always have to be Coinbase.
Gotcha. Okay. So, okay. So Coinbase, ShakePay, or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Any site to get the main cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, is all you really need to complete this.
Gotcha.
Which one do you like better? You like Cash App or ShakePay? Which one do you, I know you're in ShakePay in Canada probably. So.
Yeah, ShakePay is in Canada. Cash App doesn't work in Canada. Not that at least that I know of from last time I tried downloading it, but it might be now. But Cash App, if you can buy Bitcoin on it, you can send it to your crypto.com app through there. Now, the only reason I say Cash App is because some people's banks don't allow them to buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies with the debit or credit card. So if you can do an e-transfer or anything like that, like ShakePay does, it helps out that way.
Yeah, Cash App works with my bank, or one of my banks, so it works just fine. So
awesome. No worries. Now, Joey, your question there.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have all the coins?
No.
Okay, go to the main screen, the little Binance symbol, like one to the left.
Hold on, I'm frozen.
Okay. Go to your profile. I just want to see if it has Binance Lite and Binance Pro, just so I can see. No? Okay, awesome. Okay, so once you go to the main screen, so with Binance, one thing that they do have Binance on Binance US. So once you go hit like add crypto, I'm guessing you can possibly hit add crypto, and then you want to deposit crypto to your wallet, and then you could deposit your Bitcoin. And once you've deposited your Bitcoin, what you want to do, so once you've kind of completed that step, once you hit Bitcoin, it's going to give you an address, and you want to copy that address and make sure it's on Bitcoin. Yep, and you want to copy that address, and from that address, you'll receive. You can go to wherever you have your Bitcoin that you want to send, or your Ethereum, or whatever coin you want to send to Binance. And once you have your funds, go back and then go to the market. So it should be the one with the lines. Yeah. And actually go to your wallet. That's a step for another time, but go to your wallet and you can click on, go down and look for BNB. So hit add coin, and then BNB is turned on. Awesome. And then you can see BNB there, and hit buy BNB. Oh, hit later, but yeah. So you need to verify your account, but you can go back, and then you can go, or you can go to marketplace. So the one to the left, yeah. And then once you're in here, you can basically buy and sell. So you see where it says Bitcoin BTC.
Mm-hmm.
You would click on that, and it should say buy or sell. Once you click it, and you can sell your Bitcoin for BNB. Yep. So right there. So you would sell your Bitcoin, and you would do a market. You do a market, and you would sell your Bitcoin, or however much Bitcoin you have. And what that does is it actively sells your Bitcoin for BNB. Actually, sell. You want to go buy. My bad. This part confuses me. But yeah, so it'll buy your from Bitcoin. You would sell it into BNB, and then BNB you would buy it into Bitcoin. But anyways, you do that there, and it would automatically have that for you, and then you just convert it into your. It would convert it into your. From spot wallet, you convert it into your regular wallet. So when you go to your wallets, you would see it's better to do Binance on the computer, personally, and then you just convert it over from your spot wallet into your fiat wallet, and you will see Binance coin there, and then you can just transfer. Or if your credit card company works or debit card company works, you can automatically just buy BNB straight from there. But yeah, that's just another step. That's just another way you could do it to save without fees. But that's something completely else. That's yeah, I'm just ranting right now, but yeah. So
how do I buy?
So you have BNB. Pardon me?
Like how would I buy SafeMoon on here if it's not showing up?
Oh, you wouldn't. You would need Trust Wallet to buy SafeMoon, because it runs on the BE. You need Trust Wallet to buy SafeMoon.
Okay, so that's fine. And then,
yes.
All right, so then I would transfer my BNB from here into my Trust Wallet, and then purchase SafeMoon through there.
Through Pancake Swap, correct? Exact same steps that we did for. Exact same steps that we did for FEG is the exact same steps that you would do for SafeMoon.
Okay. That answers that for me.
I'm gonna be studying this recording a lot, I think.
No worries.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello?
Oh. So if I got BNB on Binance, how do I transfer it to Trust? Do I put the network BEP2 or
No. You could do BEP2, but it does have a larger fee in terms of it's like I think like $2 or something. But just send it regularly through the regular BEP2, not BEP20. So just send it through the first one.
The first one?
Yeah, the first one. By just the regular Binance coin, not the smart chain coin. And you would send it to your Trust Wallet, and you can convert it there. You could do that, but I don't see a point paying that dollar fee there and then going there and converting, but you could do that as well too.
Okay, so once I send it to the address, the network's BEP2, put the amount and then withdraw, and then I'll wait it at the trust wallet.
Yeah, so it's usually about a 15-minute wait, 5 to 15 minutes to send it. And once it's there, you should receive it. And yeah, and then you go into your swap and then you convert it over into your Binance Smart Chain coin.
I don't have to put any in the memo.
For the Binance website, you shouldn't have to put any memo. No, you shouldn't have to put any memo on the Binance website.
Okay, I'll do it in the website.
Sorry, on the app. On the app as well too. Yeah, but on Binance, you shouldn't have to worry about the memo.
Okay, so I'll go withdraw, put the address, network BP2, then max and withdraw. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No worries. And if you need help, just let me know.
Is it BEP2 or BEP20?
BEP2. BEP20 is the one that Smart Chain runs on for SafeMoon and FEG. So that's the Smart Chain coin.
Okay.
Yeah, BEP2 is the regular blockchain to send it on. BEP20 is for the Smart Chain blockchain or the Smart Chain coins.
Okay.
So like FEG and HOGE. I mean FEG and
SafeMoon.
SafeMoon, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
So this is off the subject a little bit, but what's slippage? What is that when you put that like the 2 and 3 and all? What's that?
So slippage is basically, from what I understand, the markets are so volatile in terms of swapping coins, and the prices fluctuate so much that having a slippage, if the price fluctuates more than 2%, 5%, or 11%, you can still you'll still buy that coin. But if the slippage is too low and the market's moving too fast, then their transaction won't go through and it'll get canceled. So that's why you have to have a little bit of a higher slippage in terms of allowing.
Your buy order gets passed because of the price of the coin. Okay, I understand.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. Just imagine where we're all going to be like in a month from now with all this craziness.
Yeah. Noah and Morgan over here, they're just balling crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys have any more questions for them? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
He answers his texts.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I might be in the zone and I'll send like 1 or 2 word replies, but it's not because I don't want to talk to you. It's just I'm focused on some work and I'm too busy in the zone. But other than that, yeah, awesome.
I understand that, Morgan. I mean, I don't ever get in the zone. I think you guys understand that I'm messaging people back like 24/7.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What else? But yeah, thank you so much for that, Morgan.
Yes, thank you, Morgan.
Thank you very much, Morgan.
And no worries, guys.
Okay. What else do you guys want to talk about today? That was amazing. Like, what's this called? So far, how much has what's it called? FEG grown since yesterday? Where's my coin market cap? FEG.
I think someone said like 40% or something ridiculous like that.
Right now, I think, yeah.
Wasn't it? Wasn't that what someone said this morning?
51% right now.
Oh, it's 51. It's already grown another 11% in the past few hours.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
51.15 to be exact.
If you got in the one that Morgan called in this morning with Poodle, that went up already 100%.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So all right, just so I understand what like I'd be investing in. What is this exactly? What kind of asset is this? Is it like a crypto coin or like? That's what I don't quite understand.
It's a smart contract. It's just a new way. It's not actually a token. It's not actually like a crypto. It's not a currency. It's a contract. Mr. Unemployable explains it. You can watch it in his in the videos in the back office or whatnot. I still haven't dived deep into smart contracts, but like yeah. Anyways, yeah, it pays you out for every time somebody buys
Okay,
and
there's
sells
gotta be
the
a
coins.
definition on one. I'm just gonna look up the difference. I'm just curious what the difference is.
Makes you money. That's all I care about.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm what's that called? I'm what you would call a what was that personality? The C whatever that one is. I'm that personality. I love I'm the urchin, guys.
Yeah. I mean,
I love information so much. Like I love knowing things.
Yeah.
All right. So unlike the traditional centralized business model, smart contracts foster a new kind of business relationships built on trust. They have the blockchain properties. They offer immutability. I have no idea what that means.
Yeah.
So it's just a contract basically.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's it sounds to me like it almost sounds like the crypto equivalent of a bond, like the way it's worded. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but that's what it almost makes me think of, like a IOU. I'm trying to
like a convertible bond. I don't know.
Like it's not something you have to lock in. It looks like, but it's a contract that like it's basically the crypto contract thing, whatever you would call that.
Yeah, but like they give you more, Morgan, right? That's what you were saying.
Yeah. So they burn tokens, and with FEG, they have 1 trillion tokens. Sorry.
What do you mean by burn exactly? Like they get rid of them?
Yeah. So they it's like throwing it into an incinerator, whatever that word is.
Incinerator.
Incinerator, yeah. and burning fuel or whatever. They do the same thing. They have 100 quadrillion coins, but they have only 50 quadrillion on the Binance smart chain and 50 quadrillion on Ethereum. And yeah, they burn 1% at any rate, and they don't have a burn cap, so they can burn as many coins as they want, which will then in turn simple supply and demand. Once people catch wind of this coin, people are going to want it. They're going to be burning at faster rates, and you get 1% return. You get 1% of this coin for every buy and sell, and every time they burn as well too. So yeah.
So it's basically like, if I'm getting this correct, it's kind of like they're basically making this coin. They're making it in high supply as possible, so you can get it cheap. But then they're gonna just start getting rid of the supply over time, right? Is that if I'm correct?
Exactly.
Excuse me.
That makes sense.
Yeah, they're going to be burning it over time. And this coin on their site, they specifically say as well too, is that they do this. They're setting up this coin to succeed, and at the same time as well, FEG stands for Feed Every Gorilla. So they're partnered with some nonprofit organizations or whatnot in Africa. I forget exactly where or wherever it is, but they basically give back to animals. The Pan-African Sanctuary Alliance. And yeah, so they are partnered with them, and they will match every dollar donation and everything like that. And yeah, so it's got something pretty cool behind it. And like yeah, so right now it's basically still like if you look at the bottom where the roadmap is, It's still at its very early stages. They're not, yeah, they're still at the very early stages, and they've still got quite a ways to go. So if this project pans out, it's definitely gonna do good. Yeah.
And then when they burn the coins, Morgan, they don't burn the ones that you have, right?
No, they burn. No. It's they burn the ones that are out in supply. So they have a 100 quadrillion. So
Yeah.
however much you have, or however much everybody has, whatever's left, they start burning at the same time. You buy, they burn. You sell, they burn. And for every buy and sell and every burn, they're sending you an amount as well too. 1% just for holding the coin.
Nice.
That's crazy. That's awesome though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much
Yeah.
is one of these coins, or like how much is like? I
It
know
has some-
coins like this are very cheap. Like,
It's
is this like
point-
one of those penny ones?
It's like nine zeros, and then that's when you get the number.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the cheapest coin I've seen yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally
Zero.
right at the ground floor. So
So I
this
could buy
is-
100 of these and become a millionaire if like they actually became like.
Yeah.
Yeah, legit. No, it's
Like-
sniper entry.
It's crazy.
Trade,
Oh my
that's
God.
great.
Yeah, this is in the future we're gonna be like, if you didn't buy this now, you're gonna be like, why didn't I do it? You're gonna be like, this is like not buying Amazon or Tesla stocks while they're low.
Not even. Even if it hits the price of like 0.00398 zeros and then a 3 or 8 zeros and a 5, or even if it gets to where like SafeMoon's at for price or where HOGE is at for price, like at that point, you guys, like, even if it hits that price, like
It'd be crazy.
yeah, you'd be making so much. It's just
I'm just
yeah.
imagining if I put I'm just imagining if it hit a cent.
Oh my
yeah.
goodness.
I'd probably like at that point just freak out. I'd be like, what?
And then on top of it, by the time it hits that, they've already given you so much too, right? I mean, at that point.
Exactly.
You can basically withdraw a certain amount of your
while
funds.
we're talking about this, I'm actually kind of
just
curious.
like let the rest ride for the rest of its life, and you're good to go.
Exactly. Just forget about it, and one day you're gonna be like, "Oh, FEG is at $1," and you're like, "Wait, didn't I have some?" And shit.
Then you have like
Yeah.
10,000 or something, and you're like,
Oh,
what?
Yeah.
Next thing you know, you're like, wait a minute, I'm a millionaire? What?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know if Canada does this, but in the US, they actually use everyone's social security numbers, and they have like $1 million or so in each one, and it's like government stuff, but like you could legally access it because there's like 7 centralized banks that they use your social security numbers for, and you can figure out which bank your account would be under, and you pretty much claim the money. It's kind of stupid.
Wait, you can legally access it like everybody else?
Yes. I mean,
Where?
it's kind of like it's kind of close to the black area as far as like black, like the gray. It'd be very dark gray, but like yes, you could legally access this because they're using your social security number to do it.
Holy shoot!
That's how bored. That's how lazy the government is. They're like, hey, we got these numbers, cool, we're using it. It's like I forgot how you access it, but there's like videos online on how to do that.
It's still going up. It's at 52. It's up 52.81% now.
I'm checking something out while I'm at it. All right, because we were talking about the the limited supply. Let's see.
All right, so I should be able to convert Crow into BNB.
Oh yeah. If you have the CRO app, yeah, for sure, you should be able to convert it to BNB.
And then put that BNB into the Trust wallet.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then Pancake.
Yeah, and then Pancake. I'll send the.
Did Ralph send you guys Upland or whatever?
Yeah, who's in Upland?
I don't even know how that works. I'm like, I got the app, but I didn't do anything with it.
I guess you basically all right, so I talked to him for a while about this, and the way it works is it's kind of like an, if I'm getting this correct, I'm pretty sure it's like a NFT for houses, basically.
Yes, it is.
And I don't know how that works, but like
it's basically Monopoly.
I don't understand why you'd want an NFT for a house. Like, what are you gonna do with it?
Well, because you can buy and sell assets, basically houses, and then
I almost feel like I'm. It almost feels like what's that called?
You're playing Sims in real life is essentially what it is.
No,
Not sure if you guys know
there's
that
an
game.
actual investing style that's been around for like decades. Where basically I forgot what it's called. Please, if you guys know what it's called, basically what you do is you pay people's like taxes if they can't pay for it all. And basically you're like staking in their house, and worst case you get your money back.
Putting a lien.
Like
you're putting a lien on a house.
Yeah, lien. Yeah, it's kind of like it almost seems like a lien almost.
No, because you're selling the asset. So it's basically as you're selling these assets, these houses or land plots. I mean, at first it's just a plot of land.
So
as you're
like,
buying and selling them or trading them, and there's different challenges that you're hitting. So then they're basically giving you free money, but it's their asset that you, whatever their asset is called. I forget what it's called, but
what I don't understand is where's the value coming from?
Because you're physically buying it. So you could just play free at first, but you're not really like, you won't get anywhere fast is the thing. So you're going to sit there and put $20 in, which is 2,000 UBS or whatever their coin is. And that's what you're using to buy houses. So now everybody's doing that. Here's $20, here's $100, and then the big guys have, they're putting in thousands. So that's how it's gaining strength. And this has been around. I was watching a video today on it. It's been around for 3 or 4 years already. So it's like,
yeah, that's crazy. It's like you don't hear about these things until like, it like you wouldn't think someone would even think of this, but like it's been around for that long.
And then, but what me and Jimmy were thinking, because we're all on it, so there's the challenges that you hit. And when you hit these challenges, you get free coins. So we were basically thinking if we created like a master account, like one of us was the master account. And because as you hit these challenges, your rate of return grows for each house. So like you'll be able to times 200, times 2, times 3, times 5 as you hit these challenges. So if you had one master account and then all the other accounts were like buying properties to hit these challenges, and then we would just pass the properties around because you can just trade properties so that now everybody's hitting those challenges because, it's have 3 houses on 5th Street. So now I buy 3 houses on 5th Street, then I give those 3 houses to John. So now he hits that. And then John gives those 3 houses to Noah. Now Noah hits that. And then it comes back to me since, in this scenario, I'm the master account. So then now I'm gaining more. And then now the next challenge, you know what I mean? I could go buy those houses, then same thing, give it to John, John gives it to Noah, and now we all hit those challenges. They come back to me so that the master account keeps growing and then passing the assets around.
So you have to use it like real money. It's not just a game.
Yes, no, I mean you can grow your assets if you do it right for free, but it's going to be a lot harder.
All right.
You know what I mean? It's kind of like, those, you have the free to play games, but the people that are paying to win are just that much stronger than you.
Whales.
Exactly.
It's like those mobile games.
Yeah, so it's kind of the same.
Same concept. It's the same concept.
Yeah, you can play for free. It's just going to take you a lot longer to build up those assets.
And a lot harder.
Like right now, I have 14 plots of land, but I have no UPC left. So now I'm sitting here, and it's growing. Like I get 20 UPC every 3 hours or something like that. So now I'm growing really slow from those houses. But if I put more money in, then I could go buy more and build a little bit faster. But like I said, if you had like a master account, we were just kind of throwing this idea back and forth, and we all like grouped together to make sure that we all were winning, and then it goes back to that master account so that they can go buy more property for everyone.
Wow, that's awesome.
And then pass it around, and then it goes back to that master account. So because you need somebody whose UPC is growing rapidly so that they can go buy those more properties, or else you're dumping in thousands of dollars. And then what you can do is you can cash out. So that's where the money part, like because you'll buy a house for 2,000 UPC, and then you can go sell it for 3,000. That's how you gain money. It's the same thing as buying and selling houses. And then people will buy that house or that plot of land from you because they need it for their challenge. You know what I mean? Like
yeah.
A house.
So basically, you could play video games and make money now, like legit money.
Not like streaming, but this.
But like crazy. Yeah, but like basically, you just go on your phone every once in a while, get your friends to join, and then like you make money long term.
Yep.
They make money too as well. It's not like you're piggybacking.
Yeah.
Off of like your friends' defeat. It's cool that you can win together.
They should do some raids.
Raid
someone's house.
But then they have like treasure hunts, so you can go on a treasure hunt and find these like prizes, and they'll get you UPC as well. Like I mean, it's pretty cool. But there's definitely a strategy if we can. I mean, I feel like we have a big enough group. If everybody did it, we could.
All right, see Morgan.
What?
Oh, Morgan said he had to go.
Bye, Morgan.
He's already gone.
See you, Morgan. Thank you.
Yeah, he's already gone.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording here. Are we good, guys?
That's crazy though. Yeah, that's